How to get free gifts and credits in Temu app. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free gifts and credits in Temu app. So let's get started with the video. As you know that Temu provides free gifts and offers especially for new users. So in order to get that, open your Temu app. Here you can see available offers like free shipping. Here tap on free shipping option and you will land to this page, and here you can see free shippings and available offers. Similarly, if you tap on new user gift, you can see another option to get new user bonus. Now scroll down or simply tap on spin, and with that you will get the coupon bundles of free gifts. So this is the one way to get free gifts and credits. The another option is you can simply visit the section called earn free gifts and redeem it. For this you have to refer the friend or refer to any new users. So that is how you can get free gifts and credits in Temu. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.